Hello! I will be taking you through the steps for this easy activity that you can do for Mother's Day. So you need 2 shades of coffee water for this. For the lighter shade, you need 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 2 teaspoons of water. As for the darker one, you need 4 teaspoons of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of water. So gather your other items and let's begin. Let's start with folding our paper into 2. The marks at the top and bottom will act as a guide for our heart. Use a pencil and draw your heart. Then pick up your paintbrush and dip some light coffee water. Make sure that your tip of the brush is not too wet. Otherwise, we will be having a single stroke too wet and it will be harder to manage. Try to do single stroke for the leaves. They look just like tiny hearts. You can do the same size or you can do big to small. Leave some space in between each group of leaves, about 2 fingers space. We will be adding in flowers in between the space. Follow through the outline. Paint till you reach the middle of the heart. Next, let's paint our flowers. We can have a variety of flowers. Flowers with petals, outline of flowers, sunflowers with lots of petals. You can also have the same type of flowers all around, or paint your mother's favorite flowers. Next, paint more leaves. Round, sharp leaves. And when you're done with that, let's have a ribbon at the top center of the heart. You can draw the ribbon with a pencil first, or you can paint it straight like me. I am doing the outline first and then I fill it up. If you don't like having a ribbon there, you can replace it with another flower or just leave it empty and have more space for the words after this. We are going to be writing I love you, Mom. So you can draw in with a pencil first and then paint in with some patterns on the words, shapes, zigzags, any other design that you can think of to decorate the words. Then fill up your paintbrush with a darker shade of the coffee water and outline the letters. Then add some dots and swirls to the outline of the heart. And yay! There you go. Something for Mother's Day. Here are some other examples. For this one, you can paint a lighter shade of coffee water on the heart and do the other flowers and letters with the darker coffee water. Alright, thank you for watching. Check out the link below for another alternative of this coffee painting for Mother's Day.